Hey, in this video, I will show you how to check your iPhone activation date and also coverage by your IMEI, email, or whatever. I'll show you how to find it, everything, so just hit the like button. Also managed to do that for myself, as you can see right here, and you can see when I purchased my iPhone and so on. But basically, I've removed some of the information for personal reasons, obviously. But you can find a lot of this by just watching the video all the way until the end. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around this subject. I would love to help you out. So the first thing you want to do is go on settings. In settings, you want to click on general and click on the about section. So in about, you'll find your email serial number and everything else. I don't want to open it up because it has a lot of personal information, but so that's where you find it. You want to click on serial number, copy it, and then you go on Safari and you type in checkcoverage.apple.com. Checkcoverage.apple.com. It's very simple. Here, you just paste the number, type in the code. Sometimes it asks you to do that twice, and you get it. It's as simple as that. See you next video.